What is up, my beautiful YouTube family? Welcome to the Hackbuster channel, guys. This is the show where we find random life hacks from the internet and we see how realistic and reliable they are. Today we're gonna see part 2 of some iron life hacks, so let's get to it. Who loves grilled cheese as much as I do? I love grilled cheese. For college students who lives in the dorms, or if you're a bachelor that live by yourself, this can be awesome. But I highly doubt the grilled cheese will look as good as that. I predict that the iron might melt the cheese, but the bread is not going to be toasted at all. It will be very soggy. If it works, I'm going to be super happy. So let's try it out. So for this life hack, I'm going to hit it with 3 intervals: 1 minute, 2 minutes, and 5 minutes. I don't think anybody wants to eat one grilled cheese after waiting 5 minutes for each grilled cheese. I'm just gonna lose my appetite with that. So the 1 minute timer starts now. Alright, so the 1 minute is over. See if we did anything at all. Nope, the bread is still very soggy. Let's see the cheese. It is still as it is, not melted at all. Right now we're going to go for 2 minutes. So 2 minutes have passed. It's still very soggy. Alright, so the cheese dart started to melt. The bread, as you can see, really soggy. For my prediction, I think after 5 minutes the cheese will be melted, but the bread will not be toasted at all. Let's just hope for the best. After long waiting, it has already been 5 minutes. So this is the final results, guys. See if the cheese is melted and if the bread is toasted at all. Like I said, I think the cheese is going to be melted, but I don't think the bread is going to be toasty or brown like they showed. Alright, time for the big reveal. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see, the bread is not toasty at all in either side. The side I had for 5 minutes, it is flat, but the other side is extremely soggy. Keep in mind, for each of the time I had the bread flipped over. Let's see the cheese. Yes, the cheese is melted. Let's try the taste test. It's literally soggy bread and melted cheese. Like if you get some melted cheese and you pour it on some soggy breads, that's exactly how this is. So is this a grilled cheese like they showed? Definitely not. This is, I would say, soggy cheese. Yeah, that's exactly what this is. This is soggy cheese. So for this test, I'll give it 2 out of 10. I would say it's more close to being busted than not, because the cheese did melt, but the bread is not toasted and brown and nice looking as they showed at all. Let's see if the next hack works or not. Oh no, come on, that is so fake. I can guarantee that it's not going to work. You cannot just iron a wood and it's going to be back to being full again. I'm going to say this is definitely busted. Let me know if you think this is busted or not. Let me know in the comment below, but let's try it out. Alrighty, it's hammer time. See what I did there? Alright, so let's put a dent in this block of wood right here, and with ironing it, somehow I'm going to make it perfectly normal again. Like they showed, I'm going to sprinkle some water and iron it in hope of it being normal like this again. I doubt it. So I'm going to keep this iron for about 4 minutes. See if that does anything. Alright guys, so it's been about 5 minutes. I'll let it run for 1 more minute, see if that actually did anything at all. I'm actually surprised. That actually did pull up the wood a lot. You can still see the wood dented a little bit. I'm really surprised that the last hack actually did work. I was mind blown. First ever a hack that I didn't think was gonna work actually proved me wrong. So like I always say, I am not always right. Most of the time I'm wrong. That's why I try them out with you guys for the first time. So that life hack with the wood definitely shocked me today. I could guarantee that was not gonna be real, but apparently somehow magically it is. The point of this show is not to only do busted life hack, but to try a variety of hacks that look suspicious to see if they're real or fake. So the wooden one was definitely real, but the grilled cheese one was definitely busted. Unless you like soggy cheese. But thank you so much for giving your valuable time to watch my videos, guys. If you like the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe and share with your family so they also know which hack is real and which one is fake. To watch part 1 of this video, click right here. To watch another video, click right here. And definitely click this subscribe button right here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace.